Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying the image source and gathering basic facts: resolution, file type, and where Google is pulling it from. Once you have the URL or a downloaded copy, you can compare pixel dimensions versus display size to see if scaling causes blur. Make sure to open the same image in a native viewer to inspect artifacts. If the original is high-res but appears blurry only in Google, proceed to check how Google cached or compressed the thumbnail. Next, you diagnose technical causes. Compression, wrong color profile, or incorrect EXIF orientation can make images look soft. Once identified, resave with appropriate settings: lower compression, correct sRGB profile, and original pixel dimensions, so sharpness is preserved. If the hosted page had an old, scaled thumbnail, replace it with the corrected file and ensure the HTML points to the full resolution source. Then force reindexing, so Google fetches the updated asset. Finally, you reupload the fixed image, clear caches, and request Google to reindex the page. This pushes the corrected asset into search results faster. Make sure robots, TXT, and meta tags allow crawling, and update your sitemap to reference the new image. If Google still shows a blurred version, try alternate formats like WebP or PNG and verify responsive image attributes so browsers don't upscale low-res sources. Troubleshooting tip: if cached thumbnails persist, clear CD.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.